first in the company in the U.S. to have solar installed. It means a lot to us here at the Durant plant. My name's Rebecca Wade. I'm the site manager of the Durant, Iowa facility for SFS. The solar system we put in here in Iowa consists of 456 solar modules. It'll produce around 325,000 kilowatts of energy, and our plant uses 324,000 kilowatts approximately, which will actually cover 100% of our energy usage here in the plant.
As far as the installation process, that went very smoothly. Hi, my name is Dusty Cracklio. I'm the warehouse manager here at SFS Durant. We had initial contact around February of 2022. They broke ground March of 2023. About 2 months later, they wrapped up final installation just last week in May of 2023.
It shows how conscientious SFS is about our environment and doing everything we can to, avoid pollution and make this a better place to live for not only us, but future generations. We recycle all of our cardboard here in Iowa. We recycle all of our plastic.
And a project we had a couple years ago was the LED lighting project. We converted our old metal halide lighting to the LEDs, motion sensors on every one of them.
Durant is a very small community. It's a population of less than 1,900 people. Hard work is in our genes, and it's what Midwestern is all about.
Just from what we've done here, I've had lots of people inquire about it already, and for them to want to do that, I think is great for the community. And for us to be able to, kind of show that off is great.
So the solar project was a large initiative here at the Durant plant, but it also inspires me to look for other ways that we can be more sustainable. There's always ways that we can look at to be more energy conscious or environmentally conscious.